Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3 using Anaconda 3 on Windows operating system. We will download the installer from anaconda.com. So we will click over here. I will provide the link in the video description. We recommend all the CS220 and CS319 students to install the current version of Python and Anaconda so that all the TAs, peer mentors, students, and instructors have the same version. Now we will click on this exe file. It will launch the installer window. It will take few more seconds. Then we will see how to install. Okay, now click on next, click on agree, next, next, and this is important for this class to check all the 4 boxes. For this it seems like a warning, but make sure you click it. So now install. It will take some time, so I will pause the recording. Okay, so now we could install it. Click on next, next, and then finish. And we will type PowerShell in the search. And if we could install Python and Anaconda properly, we will be able to see its version here. So we will type Python space hyphen hyphen then version and hit enter. So we see here's the version that we will using for this class. Okay, so now we will install Otter to run auto-graded test for the projects of this class. And we will use pep. Pep is a package installer for Python, and we will type pep install otter hyphen then grader and hit enter. And once it get installed, we will check its version if we could get it installed properly. So we will type otter space hyphen hyphen version. And we have this version, and this is the Python version. Thank you for watching the video.